Hello. Why is it more expensive to buy a cheap bike than to buy a good bike? Okay, when you buy a cheap bike, when you cycle, it is more tedious, and when you sit on the parts which are cheap and which is not good, the seats, for instance, if you will sit for long hours, the seat will be very painful. Your backside will be very painful. Okay, so if you were to buy an expensive bike, even the journey is long, okay, you enjoy the journey, and cycling will be smooth. You can enjoy the scenery, and when it comes to cycling, you automatically and naturally go out and cycle. But if you buy a cheap bike, you cycle less because it's unhappy. You are not enjoying your ride, and so you cycle automatically and naturally cycle less. So if you buy a good bike, an expensive bike, you will enjoy the journey more, and you naturally cycle more. And when you cycle more, and cycling is a form of exercise, and when you stretch yourself daily and cycle more and more, your health becomes more healthy and healthier. So it is, and there's also less accident also. When you buy a good bike, your tire don't puncture on the road. So it's more expensive to buy a cheap bike if you than to buy a more expensive bike. Thank you very much.